Hello friends, thanks for stopping by. I hope you're all having a great day. Today I have a haul coming up, a clothing haul coming up, and some of the things are on their way, but I did pick up some shoes from Lord & Taylor, and I think they're in President's Day, or they have a 20% off. When I bought them, and I think the sale ended the day I bought them, it was buy one, get one 50% off. So I really took advantage, and I'm really big into espadrilles. I don't know about you, but I absolutely love the look of high heels, pumps, whatever you want to call them, but I can't function in them long term. Even a wedge that comes down on an angle with just a flat front gets a little uncomfortable for me, but espadrilles do not. And I do like sometimes to have some height, since Mother Nature is taking it away from me, okay? So I thought I would just show you the shoes quickly that I picked up from Lord & Taylor. I did pick some clothes up, but those will come in a clothing haul down the road because they are regular pieces and they're not gonna run out of them. But I did want to show you the shoes because I think that they're gonna go fast. So the first two pair, because they were buy one, get one, 50% off, I had to go ahead and get them in both colors that I liked. And I am a true 6.5, so I will let you know the sizes that I purchased each shoe in so that you know whether you have to go up a size, half size, or not. So these are by Karl Lagerfeld, and these are a 6.5, and the style is called Corinna. And the first color I'm going to show you is Kid Suede. And I think they're I loved them because I think these will look fabulous with white jeans that come to the ankle and maybe a top that has a splash of this color in it if I can find it. If not, then I'll just wear it with all white. But these I thought were beautiful. They are a wedge. They have a nice, they're not too skinny here. When they get too skinny, I sometimes, tip a little on them. But these I thought were well proportioned. They have about, a finger. They're about maybe 4 inches high. They do have like a braiding of gold around the edge here with this color yellow in them, running in the braid. And then the front has a nice solid inch. So I thought they would be really, really pretty. And I just loved the color. The yellow was spectacular. And I don't have anything like this. I recently did a clean out and got rid of a lot of things. And I realized that a lot of my styles were pretty outdated. So I had to update myself. So I got these, and the price of these, I'm not sure. I will put that in an annotation. I will list and link everything below for you so that you know. And like I said, when I bought them, they were buy one, get one 50% off. But right now, online, I know they're running their 20% President's Day sale or something. I'm not sure how long the 20% runs for the presidents, but Lord & Taylor always has a 20% off. Just when you're online looking, it'll tell you what the code is on top. And this is the same pair, identical, but the color is metallic suede. And I just love this because, again, I think these can go with any color, but I thought they were a really nice neutral color to elongate the leg. So I really liked it, so I got it in this color also. They're very soft. They have a rubber sole on the bottom. Oh, here we are. They're normally $129. They are the Corinna, and this was the gold. And so I paid $129 for one and then 50% off the second pair. Let me see here. Here's the receipt right here. So the first pair, oh no, they were on sale also. So I paid $102 for this pair. And then the second pair came to $51.41. So I paid $153 for both pair of shoes. So I think that is pretty darn good. Okay, so let's move on to the next pair. Okay, so the next pair is by Mark Fisher Ltd. And this is light pink nubuck. I don't think these shoes look pink at all. And I did get the 6.5 medium in these. I really liked them, but they don't look pink to me, my friends. They look like a nude tan. And they have a probably an inch and a half lift in the front and then a little bit more in the back, but I just thought they were really a great looking shoe. I did not mind them having an ankle strap because sometimes this can cut our legs off, but when it's in this type of tone, something that's close to your skin, it elongates the leg. And I know this came in a deeper tone and maybe even one lighter, but I did see online at Nordstrom that it does come in a pink, and yes, I ordered it because I just love these. And again, they give you the height, they're comfortable, and they're very, very much in style. So I got those. And then I think this might be the same. Yes, this is the same shoe. I am a creature that way. If I see something I truly love, I will buy it in every color if it works for my foot. I had 3 different surgeries in each foot, so I cannot buy inexpensive shoes. I have to buy pretty well-made shoes. I try to buy them always at a bargain. I cannot wear high-end shoes either. They're very uncomfortable for me. But a shoe has to be made pretty good for me to be able to wear it. So I thought this was a gorgeous color, and it's a green. I loved it. Just loved it. And again, this one is the green nubuck, I think it's called. Let me see what the actual color is. The actual color of this is light green suede in the Adeline. So I think these are well worth trying if you're someone who wants to add a little bit of height, and that's what they look like in the front. This is a nubuck, and this is all like a straw. And the bottom of the sole looks like this, so it's a little bit wider here, so you're not going to be tipping. And it does have a little bit of rubber to really help you and support you. And the bottom, the sole, only the toes are the straw, because I cannot wear a shoe where the actual straw, or it's a straw, the material, the threading, is on the whole sole. The bottom of my soles burn really bad. I don't know why, but that material bothers me. So this is only on the toes. The rest is the leather. Okay? So that is my find at Lord & Taylor. But I was in Saks Fifth Avenue, off Saks Fifth, at the Miramar Outlets in Florida. And they had a pair of shoes by DV that I really liked. They were like mules, and I liked them. But the size they had, they only had one smaller, I think it was a 7.5. It was way too big for me. And I knew it would be. I'm a 6.5. But I was online looking for them and found them at Target. The same brand, DV, the exact same shoe. I can't see any difference. I did have to get these in a 7, but I thought they were adorable. They're just a leopard print, and they are light. They feel like suede, but I'm sure it's a microfiber material. And they're just a slip-on slide. And they were $24.99 versus $59 at Saks. These were $24.99. I did have to order them online. And I did order a 6.5 and a 7 in them. And the 6.5 was too small, so you will have to go up a half size in these. But I thought they were really a great shoe, and I would wear these with jeans. I would wear them with, you know, black skinny ankle jeans, or I would even wear them with white for a pop of, you know, interesting color. You know? Anyway, that is my Lord & Taylor find for shoes. I just wanted to share that with you quickly. I will be back within the next couple of weeks with a nice spring summer haul, and I just ordered a bunch of stuff from Nordstrom last night, and I will try to get that up within the next couple of weeks so it's not all sold out by the time I show it to you. Okay? All right, thanks for stopping by. Let me know, do you like espadrilles? What's your most favorite shoe you wear? Thanks for stopping by. Don't forget, subscribe. We are living life. Go out in the world and be happy, healthy, beautiful, and most of all, my friends, I love you all. BISOUS.